Previously on Chef Out of Water.
What am I gonna do with a blindfold?
Going on a trip, Alexis.
Oh God. I think I'm ready.
Welcome to the season finale of Chef Out of Water. I'm Alexis, your chef who's always up for a challenge. All season long, the internet has been choosing what I should cook with. And today, it looks like you've chosen where. I don't know who I'm cooking for, and they don't know what I'm cooking with. Although, I'm guessing they'll probably be able to figure it out. I can smell pine needles, and I hear a babbling brook, so... Oh my God! This is amazing. This is my dream. All season long, I've been asking for fire, and I'm gonna have fire, and I'm outside. Thank you. So I'm gonna make a 3-course meal over Campfire. I've gotta get some kindling to get started. Let's go make a fire. You thought you had me with a campfire, but this is actually a gift. I've been making fires for truly as long as I can remember. I grew up in the country, we have a really big fireplace, and every single night in the winter, we build a fire because it's so cold. I usually put a bunch of newspaper crumpled up, ton of kindling on top. Luckily, we're in the woods, we have an abundance of kindling, and then make like a kind of teepee situation around it with the wood. And as soon as it gets hot, then you can add more wood and kind of shift it into, you know, some having direct heat, some having lower heat, so I'll have some more control over the campfire. I have a grate to cook with, which is making it so, I don't want to say easy, but easy. Before I light this fire, we need to talk fire safety. We've been working with the Angeles National Forest. They know we're filming here. There's a ton of people on fire watch. I've got Ryan with me. He's gonna be watching the fire, making sure there's no debris, anything happening. Let's light this fire. My confidence level is a 10 right now. While my fire is going and getting really hot, getting ready, I'm gonna start on dessert. I'm making a plum cardamom orange crumble. I did a Tasty 101 about this, so I feel very prepared. So I'm starting off with some plums. Did I seriously just put salt? I cannot be trusted. What is wrong with me?
Was that salt?
Yeah, it was literally just salt.
Oh no, oh no.
I'm gonna go wash these plums off. Stand by. I have to stop doing that. I also just said a minute before that I was level 10 confident, so I think I need to bring my ego down about 5 notches and stay away from salt. Sugar. Great. Some flour as a binder. You could use cornstarch too. Orange zest. I'm just mixing everything together. The plums can actually just hang out in this skillet. Okay, moving on to the filling. I've got flour, oats, salt intentionally, sugar very intentionally, cinnamon, and cardamom. Just some mix, and then some cold cube butter. And I'm just gonna take my hands, incorporate it, and then kind of crumble it. You know, I think a challenge is going to be that I know how long this takes in an oven, or even on a grill, but over a campfire, it's gonna be a little trickier in terms of timing. Crumble's done. I'm gonna wash my hands, cover this with foil, and get this on the fire. I've got these really great safety gloves. This fire is really hot. Campfires can actually get up to over 500 degrees, so I've got a ton of options. It's probably too hot for the crumble now, but I want to get it going. The flames are going to die down a bit. It actually looks like it's at the perfect spot for my entree. I've got a few different elements, but one of them is fire roasted eggplant, where you actually just bury it in the coals. I'm gonna get a head start doing that, move on to my prep. For my appetizer, zucchini and halloumi salad. All done over the grill, of course. When I use the blender, I thinly sliced zucchini on a mandolin, so I'm gonna do the same thing. They'll probably grill really fast, but that's okay. I'm just gonna sprinkle them with a little salt. This is gonna draw moisture out. Just gonna slice cucumbers, easy. I'm gonna make some pickled red onions over the fire. Pickling's really easy. You basically need vinegar, sugar and salt. Oh, and water. I'm gonna add some peppercorns and some coriander seeds. So now this liquid is gonna go over the fire. I'm just gonna cut up this cheese really, really fast. Ooh, baby. Oh my God. Cobbler has been taken over by the plums, but it's okay. Woo! Okay, definitely time for tinfoil to come in. Got my pickling liquid, which can go on the hottest part. Put that right here. Just gonna let this go for a few minutes, and my eggplant looks absolutely perfect. I mean, whoo, just falling apart. It's like legit collapsed into itself, which is exactly what I want. Got a new set of dish gloves. Oh my God, so cool. And you just take a spoon, and all that beautiful, perfectly cooked eggplant, off the skin, goes inside. My pickling liquid is ready to go. I'm gonna add the onions. So now that the onions are in and the pickling liquid is hot, I can actually take it off the heat and I'll just let it rest to room temperature. This cobbler is definitely taking longer than it would in an oven, but it looks kind of cool and rustic. I'm just gonna throw some peppers on the grill. I'm really excited about my entree. I'm gonna do this whole Mediterranean spread. So I'm gonna make lamb kofta, which are like oblong lamb meatballs. First things first, I'm gonna put garlic in the grill too. Just a little bit of olive oil. Wrapping it up. You can just stick this literally right in the fire. Gonna work on the lamb kofta. So I've got mint, parsley, salt, cumin, some smoked paprika. So I've got everything in my bowl for my lamb kofta, and then just gonna mix it all together. My peppers are so charred, so beautiful. Oh my God. I'm just gonna peel the charred skin right off. I was hoping that the crumble was gonna turn golden brown. It's definitely cooked through. It just doesn't have that classic color. It's also getting kind of jammy on top, like this jammy plum mass. So I'm gonna take it off. I think it's fine. It's not gonna be an oven crumble, but it's baked through. It'll be delicious. You don't wanna shape these into meatballs. You wanna make them into these like oblong, an extra large egg, maybe a duck egg. I'm just gonna skewer it. My kofta are done. I have a bit more prep to do, but I'm gonna have Ryan put them on the grill. Ryan?
You rang.
If you can just put these over the grill, medium, high heat.
Okay, sounds good.
This is the best. I'm gonna add some lemons. The lemons, I just want them to get really charred and beautiful. I'm gonna use that for the baba ganoush and for a vinaigrette. I'm gonna make this kind of garlic herby spread. I'm gonna grab the garlic out of the fire. The garlic is a bit charred, it's soft. It's just gonna add a really nice smoky flavor to the whole spread. I'm just smashing it, and I'm just gonna make it into kind of like a paste. A few pepper flakes. I'm gonna add some green olives. I'm gonna add some capers, just to add a little more brininess. I'm gonna hit it with some olive oil, and I'm gonna add salt too. Give it a stir. I'm gonna let this herby situation hang out. These are good. Ooh. They smell absolutely incredible. They look like they're cooked perfectly, so we'll see when she tries them. Look at those lemons. I'm just gonna move them here. These zucchini are super thin, so I imagine it's gonna take less than 2 minutes, if that. Halloumi, just at the bottom. Halloumi is a really firm cheese, so it's pretty ideal for grilling. Taking the lemons. Ooh, great. They're just slightly charred, which is what I want. I don't want them to fall apart, just have a little smokiness from the grill. Yeah, the cheese is melting at a very fast pace. Oof, okay. No, come on, little guy. Oh, hey! My confidence level on the salad is like a 9. I'm gonna put Ryan on fire watch. Fire's nearly out, and get everything assembled. Now that everything's grilled, I have a few more things to do. I'm gonna actually have, before the fire goes down, I'm gonna have Ryan just grill these quickly. Ryan? This is the best way to cook. I'm gonna add some of the lemon juice to my herby thing. Oh my God. It's so good. Okay, wow. The grilled garlic and grilled lemons just intensify the flavors even more. Got my eggplant from earlier. Gonna add some tahini, lemon again. Gonna add a bit of salt, olive oil. Oh my God. This is definitely the best campfire meal I've ever made. For the peppers, see how they've kind of collapsed into themselves. They have this amazing charred skin and you can just peel it right off. That's the joy of a charred pepper. I thought maybe I'd make like a platter, a tray. Let's see how that goes. Course 2, Mediterranean plate is done. So now I'm just gonna plate this salad. Let's add some mint. The onions have probably been pickling for probably 2 or 3 hours, but after an hour you can use them. Tiny bit of olive oil, a little bit of sumac, and salt. This is so pretty. I'm so happy. My taste tester has arrived, and I think staying in line with the campfire theme, I'm gonna serve the crumble just in the cast iron. I think it's time for them to taste.
Hi, I'm Hitomi. I am a nifty producer here at BuzzFeed, and I am a huge outdoor enthusiast. I used to be a marine biologist. I love camping. Usually on the weekends, I try to find some fun things to do outside. I'm super excited to see what Alexis uses today because we are outdoors and, you know, there's so many options now. They have solar ovens. You have these small little stovetop ovens. So there's so many things, but I know what she's gonna make is gonna be amazing, so I'm super excited.
I think this was my favorite day of the entire season, and it's the taste test I'm most excited for. So can we bring them in?
Bring her in.
Hi! Hi!
I'm so excited.
Oh,
Thank you for having me.
the perfect taste tester.
Yay.
I think you are the biggest outdoors person I know.
Oh, thank you.
I mean, you go skiing, you go camping, you go hiking, you do everything.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm very excited to be here.
Course 1, your appetizer,
Oh my goodness.
is a zucchini and halloumi salad.
It smells good.
What does it smell like to you?
Like summer, but that I feel like summer smells like barbecue and charcoal, and it definitely comes out.
Course 2, this whole Mediterranean spread.
This is like insane over the top for at a campsite having this come out. I'm glamping. Like this is I'm glamping right now. Just gonna do
Yeah, that's the move.
one of these, a Mediterranean taco.
Wow, that looks really good.
So good.
Is it good? Can I? Okay, I'm gonna do the same.
And this lemon, grilled lemons are great for anything. Like I bet it would be great. Did you use this here?
Hey. Okay, final course.
Oh, beauty.
It is, I know it looks crazy. It's a plum cardamom crumble.
It's almost like if a lemon tart was a plum tart. Like the same consistency.
Totally.
You made a curd, a plum curd.
Totally,
Yeah.
that's exactly what it tastes like.
This is so good. These are the kind of unexpected things that happen when you're camping. And now you have this like whole new masterpiece that you could be like, yo, I made a plum tart.
Hey, plum curd, it's a new thing. Hitomi, you've probably figured it out by now, but what do you think I made this meal with?
Firewood, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's firewood.
I mean, you could smell it in the food. I wish you guys could smell it because you could smell that like that wood burning grill, the char.
Yeah, there's nothing
Yeah.
else like it. There's no appliance, there's no tool, there's nothing else except firewood and
Yeah.
campfire that can give you those
Yeah.
flavors.
Thank you.
Thanks for
Thank
trekking
you.
up here,
Oh my
an
God.
hour into the woods.
I love it. This is like the best work day ever. So thank you so much.
What an amazing season. I feel proud of myself. I feel excited. I feel creatively inspired. Honestly, I didn't know that I could do half of this stuff, and it was great. Campfire cooking was great, blender, easy bake oven. I feel so lucky that I got to do this. Thank you, internet, for all your suggestions, your tips, your advice, and even some of your crazy ideas. I'm Alexis. Thanks for watching the first season of Chef Out of Water. Let me know in the comments if you've made any crazy campfire meals. I'd love to see.